Well, look. The body got serviced. The clutch feels much nicer. I think traffic is falling in love with me too much these days. I think we should name the bike something. I would have maintained a Swift at this point. To maintain this bike, I need money. I need like some money. I think it's time I start appreciating traffic. Wow. We have two cops here actually. Oh, there's a stopped car. Yeah, right. You can't just go squeezing me like that. Why is there traffic on a flyover? Is that a Porsche? Let me just adore it. I think I found third love of my life. Bro, the highway is about to end. Where are you? Can you like speed on up a little bit? Wow, I am really having to go lower than 40. Just because I'm waiting for a garbage truck. Also, this mirror is not fixed. Like, it's not adjusted to my view. It's adjusted to somebody else's view now. Yeah. Okay, better. I mean, I would like to adjust it a little more, but a little better. Oh, do not tell me this is how it's gonna end, man. Come on, where is it? I think I might have missed it, guys. I genuinely think I might have missed it. You know what? It's worth a shot till I can. You know? That guy is going at 40. I'm lower than 40. Where the fuck is the Porsche? Is he like in neutral or something? Is he like not moving? Did bro break down? Oh man, this is genuinely sad. If I don't see it before leaving, this is genuinely sad. Because the highway is about to end, and yeah, I would have loved to see it one more time. Ooh, there it is. Fuck everything. Ooh, look at that sexy girl. It's unregistered, so it's even sexier. Oh man, should I just follow it? Damn, that's sexy. Chalo, I think I won't follow it. Let. It will be weird because I waited so much. Anyways, chalo, bye bye, push. One day, I'll see you in my garage, hopefully. Yeah, the way I took off as soon as I saw the Porsche was crazy actually. I did not expect myself to be that excited by anything. But this made my day. I had been having a very shitty day till now. Including the service thing, because I mean they did good service, but the cost, oh my god, don't get me started on it. But yeah, other than that, after seeing that Porsche, yeah man, I think it was all worth it. Yeah, I think it was all worth it. That was a nice color too. Like, I would not get it in that color, but no, I would probably get it in that color. I mean, that color is not that bad. Also, the acceleration of this bike has gone like from. I'll I'll give you guys a visual represent visual. Wow, Pune. Wow, that English is top notch. Okay, this was also top notch English. I was gonna give the acceleration was like this much, and now it's gone like this much. So that's a good thing. I love it. I mean that, which also means that I'm gonna be just pulling the bike wherever possible. But yeah, hey man, are you planning to move or no? Oh, that's a new car. It looks nice. I mean, XUV 3XO. I think it's if fuck it नहीं मार दो मेरे को मार दो. Well, I just ran a red light. That's something nice. I mean, I would never do that, but I was like, I can't wait for this XUV guy, man. Bro just took a lot of time to just move. Like, I should have crossed the signal by that time. Also, where the fuck are you going? Oh, I love this absolute very light clutch. Fuck, the clutch was so tight, man. I almost died. Hi, kiddo. I mean, he was not a kiddo, but like, hi. He was excited to see the camera, if I'm not wrong. I mean, he wasn't excited to see me, and if he was, then that's a little weird. Okay, where is your thought going? No, never mind. I can't use my name also. I haven't even thought about what my channel is going to be called. Yeah. Ooh, pizza limited offer. Nah, I ain't buying shit. I'm broke for this month, and this month just started, so that's a great news for me. Was I in first gear? Damn, man. It didn't feel like it. Right, if you don't give me the space, then I don't know how I'll give you the space to go. I was pissed at the right guys, but like it's understandable what they were doing. I don't know why I get pissed. It's just Bangalore traffic, I guess, man. You know, it's just annoying sometimes. And this is actually my POV. Like, oh yeah, you guys have this is the first time I'm recording when I changed the setup a little bit. So yeah, this is actually how my POV is. The previous one used to be a little lower. I mean, this is still a little lower, but much higher. I mean, a little bit higher than what the previous one was. Sarji, let me go, please. Yes, thank you, sir. There's one more cop. Let's go, man. I don't know why I'm seeing so many cops today. Like, I don't generally see these many cops. Oh, there's one more cop there also. Oh, his light is on. Yeah, that's what I was thinking. Like, I can see the light, but I don't see the cop. So yeah, I don't know why there are so many cops today outside. But well, good to know. Good to know we are safe. Or maybe we are not safe and that's why they are out. Maybe we'll figure it out once. If something happens, we'll figure it out. If something doesn't happen, then we'll figure it out otherwise. Come on, guys. Come on, sort it out. Why are you guys going so close to each other? I mean, they were going close to each other, not anymore. Wow. Bro just squeezed in. I don't know how I will squeeze. Why am I? Oh man, this was the first time neutral experience. I mean neutral and then I just accelerated. Oh well. What can I say? Ooh man, I think, yeah. I think I'm too attached to this bike now. Not gonna go for the gap, man. You can go ahead. That feels absolutely stupid to go for that gap. And I don't like the fact that the Swift is just beside me like that. But well, Oh, I don't think you guys can see the Swift. Oh, now you can see the Swift. Well, I got distracted. Never mind. My bad, I guess. Hey, this car's light is also on. Is it? No, it isn't. Okay. Also, which bike is that? Oh my god, just let me go, guys. Let me go. Sir, if you're not gonna make the overtake, let me go. Why is there so much traffic today, man? The days I don't want to deal with traffic, there's a lot of traffic. The days I'm fine dealing with traffic, there's like empty roads, which is very nice. I like surprises like that. I do not like what is happening here. Like, guys, just choose the main road, man. Thank you for letting me go like that, because I did not have it in me, and also what the fuck. Can I make this faster, guys? I feel super. From me being enthusiastic, enthusiastic. Whoa. Sarji, why are you like this? Wow. There was romance going on there. I mean, maybe there wasn't. I don't know. But it looked like there was romance. So, it's okay. Good for them, I guess. Guys, this is an empty road. What speed limit is he following? And where are you going? What are you doing? Why you're first of all not following the norm speed. I mean the normative speed here. Like, come on. And why are you moving? Like, if you're gonna be slow, be on the other side, man. It's okay. I mean, I understand if you wanna be slow. It's not like you have to be following the normative speed, but just don't be in the middle of the road. I don't know. I think I'm overthinking now. Let's go. Finally, the turn to home. Oh, the light is doing its job. Let's go. Lovely. I don't know why, but I'm very scared of this turn, man. This one and this one. Like, like the last two times I came in a Rapido, the little bit of lean they did, I was like, oh man, I'm dead. I cannot sit behind someone. Like, I cannot sit behind as a pavilion on a bike anymore, I think. Like, except if it is like my dad or mom riding. I don't think I can. It's genuinely getting very difficult for me to sit behind. Like Rapido and all, it's not working, guys. I'm scared of my life. Like every single moment, I'm like, oh shit, this is where I reach. This is where I reach God. But well, that has not happened till now. Time for Nini time. Bye bye, guys. I'll go sleep. Bye.